Hello, welcome to this step-by-step English course for beginners. Today we will review frequency adverbs with a short conversation. Repeat and practice the pronunciation of each phrase. And later stop the video and try to create your own answers. Let's begin.
Stop and repeat.
What do you do on the weekend?
I usually stay home, but sometimes I go out.
Oh, where do you go?
Sometimes I go to the beach. Sometimes I go to the park.
I often go there too. Do you ever go to the lake?
No, very rarely. It is too far from my house.
What do you usually have for dinner?
I try to eat healthy, so I usually cook vegetables.
Really? What kind of food do you make?
Sometimes I make soups. Sometimes I make stir-fry.
It sounds well. What about fries? Do you like them?
Yeah, they are delicious, but I rarely eat them. What about you?
I absolutely love unhealthy food. I eat it very often.
Do you take the bus to work?
No, I never take the bus. I always drive.
That's great. It's so much easier to drive.
Do you drive to work?
Actually, I rarely drive. I usually walk to work. I live near the office.
Really? Lucky you.
Do you usually go to the movies?
I seldom do. It is too expensive. Do you?
No, not often. I usually rent DVDs.
Really? I never do that. I usually stream movies.
Try to use frequency adverbs always when you talk about your routine, your habits, your weekend, etc. See you soon. Take care.